Today, we're standing at a crossroads. AI isn't just assisting creativity anymore, it's pushing boundaries that were once thought uniquely human. Think about tools like Google's Gemini 2.5 Deep Think Mode, Meta's LLaMA 4 series, and creative image models like Nano Banana, Ideogram, and Adobe Firefly's image and video models. These aren't toys, they're amplifiers of imagination. They allow people who've never drawn, sung, written, or designed professionally to suddenly conjure artwork, music, video, even fashion ideas just using text prompts, image references, or a few clicks on one side. That's incredible. A democratization of creativity. A teacher in a remote village can generate visuals for her students. A hobbyist musician can experiment with composing without expensive gear. Designers can iterate ideas in seconds using tools like Runway or Adobe Firefly. But on the flip side, there's tension. What happens to originality when models are trained on centuries of human work? Can machine-generated content ever carry the weight of human intent, emotion, imperfection? What about ownership when an AI-created image, like someone else's style, who gets credit? And further still, ethical concerns around bias, plagiarism, and deepfakes are real and growing. Recent research like BioSpark shows that when AI is used as a partner helping map out analogies and transfer inspiration, rather than copy, it can produce work that humans rate higher in novelty. Frameworks like Cree demonstrate that multi-agent, collaborative creative systems can yield visuals that are not just derivative, but expressive and surprising. So, is AI killing creativity? No, it's changing it. It forces us to redefine creativity not just as raw output, but as how we guide, refine, choose, and meaningfully interpret those outputs. The best creative works of tomorrow might be co-created. Humans setting purpose, value, emotional depth. Machines supplying scale, iteration, and raw generative power. Because after all, an AI tool might suggest 10,000 melodies, but it takes a human heart to pick the one that resonates, or to see in a swirl of generated visuals the spark of something new. The impact of AI isn't in replacing us, it's in extending what we can imagine, what we can try, what we can share, and if we use it wisely, human creativity might not just survive this revolution, it might thrive in ways we can't yet imagine.